Easy to use but informative. This was our focus when designing your personalized user dashboard. Let's take a deeper look. Upon first glance, we can quickly determine which group and subsequent subgroup we are part of. Lily also has an active lottery, which is conveniently presented to her here. Beneath this, we see quick links to our user profile, shift preferences, my calendar, and auto pick preferences. Let's start with user preferences. This is where users are able to set and edit their account information. This includes alert preferences. Next to this, we find shift preferences. These are based on the required locations and tags your scheduling administrator has set. With this tool, you can set and submit your own weighted preferences. Beneath the preferences are extra shift requests you can set for your admin's consideration. My Calendar. This launches your personal calendar view. It includes your shifts and personal events. Auto Pick Preferences. This feature is applicable to two of our schedule building modes, the Auto Generator and the Lottery. Upon launching, we see the option to auto pick on our behalf. Select this if you prefer ScheduleForward to select lottery picks on your behalf. Your preferences will be weighted according to your star rating selections. Though not guaranteed, the auto selector is built to lean toward the types of shifts you would like to work. Now let's look at the shifts breakdown chart. This chart shows a simple percentage spread of where your assigned shifts are. Below this, we find quick data for your immediate administrators, scheduled events, and time zones. Looks like Lily has an active lottery. Clicking here will show the pick order. Finally, we find trade requests. These are not actionable items, but rather a quick review of your active trades. Clicking on the arrow button will take us to the Trades page, where we can approve, deny, and cancel active trade requests. Here at ScheduleForward, we believe it is important to give to you, the user, the ability to take your own schedule into your hands. With easy access information and quick links, the user panel was designed to do just that. We look forward to seeing you put it to use in your everyday workflow. It's no secret, statistics show self-scheduling yields happy employees. With ScheduleForward's lottery, this process is streamlined and effortless. The lottery is running. What should I do now? ScheduleForward's lottery is spread across rounds. Rounds provide a fair and balanced process to shift selection. Think fantasy sports drafts. It's my turn to pick. The goal is to zero out my requirements for this round. Requirements are also filters. One click focuses on all shifts related to this requirement. Selecting shifts is a breeze. I like this shift. With a simple click, I can view its information. Let's lock it in. Done. Now that was easy. As I select shifts, the requirement counters decrease and the shifts I choose are color-coded based on impact to my schedule. Wrong shift selected? Need to make a change? Rest easy. Access any selected shift and simply remove it. The requirements will reflect this and keep me on track as well. Oops, I ran out of time. What now? Worry not, any remaining picks are pushed to your next turn. Concerned about unforeseen complications? We've ensured administrative support is continually available for on-the-fly adjustments, just in case. And just like that, after a few brief rounds, I've built my very own preferred schedule while fulfilling workplace requirements. How incentivizing. All made possible with ScheduleForward's one-of-a-kind lottery. Trading, one of the critical functions of any schedule. Our aim is to make shift trading as smooth as possible for both admins and employees. Lily has two shifts that are within 6 hours of each other. That's a tough break. Let's trade one away. From here, the shift can be given away or swapped with another. With giving away the shift, we simply find a fellow employee and send the request their way. However, Lily still wants to work a shift, just not on this day. She needs to swap her shift with someone else. Swap Shifts launches a new view of available shifts to request a trade with. Let's swap with William again. Reviewing the trade to be requested is a breeze. Confirm everything checks out and send that request on its way. Done. William will now be alerted to the trade request for his consideration. Historically, trading and swapping of shifts has been an administrative nuisance. With ScheduleForward's trading platform, this issue is a thing of the past. It is our belief your company will highly value this much-needed boost for this often used scheduling component. Have a unique work-life balance? How about the unexpected personal commitment? Whatever the reason, ScheduleForward's shift splitting feature seamlessly adjusts your shift with ease. Lily has an unexpected shift conflict. Let's fix that. As shown, adjusting split times is easier than ever with the built-in slider. Flipping what you want to trade away and what you want to keep is managed with a single click. Lily is not able to start her shift until 11:30 a.m. Shift splitting conveniently displays the length of time to be traded away and the time to be kept for shift fulfillment. Here, we can see the first 3.5 hours will be traded away, while the remaining 5.5 hours are to be kept. We can clearly see Lily's new shift requirement, while also confirming what is to be approved by William. All that's left is to send the request to William. And that's a wrap. With minimal effort and zero hassle for her scheduling admin, Lily was able to split her shift with William and continue on with her day. We believe the shift splitting feature is a big win for our users, and we can't wait to see you put it to use. Keeping employees happy with their schedule is a challenge. However, we believe the first step to addressing this challenge is to provide a powerful tool for scheduling administrators. Let's take a look at your organization dashboard. The organization dashboard comes with data access points we believe are critical to an administrator. This begins with the Overview tab, where you will see quick access links to your organization's information and billing status. For example, here we can see this organization does not have a current payment methods set. The Groups tab is here to help you access all entities within your organization. Each entity listed provides important information as well as subgroups attached to that specific entity. This is also where you will edit and delete groups as needed. Creating a new group is a breeze as well. The Users tab. This view provides a breakdown of your total users, including those billed, unbilled, and admin totals. Each user also has a hoverable Groups category, which will display all groups they currently belong to. Note, this is a view-only list. Users are created and deleted from within each group's admin panel. Billing allows you to view your current plan type as well as a quick overview of billing cycle charges. You may also edit your subscription plan here. The Edit Subscription tool allows you to create cost estimates based on total users and monthly versus annual settings. Billing History also provides the ability to download your invoices as PDFs. Logs tab. This tool is exceptionally useful to our admins. The All Activity view allows you to track every action taken by any employee within your organization. This provides absolute clarity of what took place and when. These events are also exportable for your convenience. Even though ScheduleForward provides calendar view shifts for up to the previous 2 years, we understand exceptions which exceed this limit. This is why we build Shift Archives. Shift Archives retain all shifts worked beyond the past 2 years. This data is also viewable and printable in PDF format for your convenience. Please note, logs are still in development and will be available in the near future. Settings. Use this tab to update your organization's information, time zone data, preferred communication sources, as well as contact preferences. Our organization panel is a continually improving feature. It is our commitment to provide our administrators with a reliable tool to help ease the burden of managing an organization. We are confident you will love the functionality available to you here. Wouldn't it be convenient to track your own private events alongside your assigned schedule? We thought so too, which is why we built the Personal Events feature, tailored specifically to you, the employee. Lily would like to include her nephew's birthday party on her personal calendar. Not a problem. Now she can fill out the event details and notes for her own private viewing. That's right, these events are not public. Not even the administrators have access to them. Personal events appear on your private calendar as seen here. These events will also be shown in lottery views, allowing lottery participants to remain aware of any personally scheduled information they may want to build their schedule around. Need to apply a change to an existing personal event? We've got that covered too. Our event editing functionality is quick and easy to use. Private personal events have been a big hit with our users. These events will also sync to your mobile and desktop devices. This is yet another user-driven incentive to add to the growing list of ScheduleForward features. We cannot wait to see you put it to use.